everyone, and welcome back to our super tech adventure. In previous videos, we've made our unicorn fly, sparkle, talk, and respond to clicks and keys. Today, we're going to give our code superpowers with the control blocks. These are like the director of a movie, telling our sprites exactly when and how many times to do things.
Like making something happen over and over again. Like a unicorn dancing.
And can we make it wait for a little bit before doing something else?
Fantastic questions! The control blocks are all the orange blocks on the left, and they're how we manage the timing and repetition in our projects. They're super important for making games and animations run smoothly. Let's dive in! The first and simplest control block is wait 1 second. This block is like a pause button. It tells our code to stop and wait for a certain amount of time before moving on.
So, if we make the unicorn move, then at wait 1 second, she'll pause before doing the next thing.
Exactly. It's great for making scenes flow naturally. Now, Luna, you asked about making a unicorn dance over and over. That's where the repeat 10 block comes in.
How does that work?
Whatever blocks we put inside this repeat block will happen that many times. Let's make our unicorn jump. We'll put a change y by 10 to go up and change y by minus 10 to go down inside the repeat block.
Wow, she's jumping exactly 10 times. That's so cool.
It is! And if we want something to happen forever, like background music or a character always moving, we use the forever block.
So, she would just keep jumping or flying as long as the game is running.
Yep, the forever block never stops. Now, these next blocks are super powerful for making choices in our code. We have if-then and if-then-else.
What's that funny looking shape?
That's where we ask a question. This if block is our code decision maker. It asks a question, and if the answer is yes, then it does the blocks inside. For example, we could say, if the unicorn is touching the mouse pointer, then she will say, "Hey there."
So, it's like saying, if this happens, then do this.
Yes, and the if-then-else block gives us two choices. If this happens, then do this. Else, if it doesn't happen, then do something else.
That's like making a decision in the game.
Finally, we have wait until and stop all. The wait until block is like a pause that only ends when a certain condition is met. And stop all is like game over button. That stops everything. Let's create a control scene where our unicorn magically appears, dances, and then disappears. We'll start with when green flag clicked.
First, I want her to be hidden, and then wait for a bit, then show up.
That's a good idea. So, hide from looks, then wait 2 seconds from control, then show from looks.
After she shows up, can she do a magical dance using a repeat block?
Perfect! We'll add a repeat 5 block. Inside, we'll put change color effect by 25 from looks and turn 360 degrees. We'll also add a wait 0.5 seconds inside the repeat so we can see the colors change in the spin.
That was a beautiful, controlled dance.
See how the control blocks let us manage the timing, repetition, and decisions in our unicorn's performance. They make our animations smooth and our games logical. They are essential for building any complex project in Scratch. Next time, we'll explore the sensing blocks to make our characters truly aware of this. See you next time on TechTimeForKids. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Bye-bye for now. See you later.